In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack publication. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just someone looking to share your thoughts with the world, setting up a Substack publication is an excellent way to reach your audience. Let's get you started on this simple yet fulfilling journey. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to your Substack homepage. Once there, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see your account icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will direct you to a new page that houses various settings related to your account. Once you are on the settings page, it's time to scroll down until you find the Publications section. This area is specifically for managing your current publications, or in this case, creating a new one. When you locate it, click on Create a Publication. This will launch the process of building your Substack presence. You'll then be prompted to name your publication URL. This is how people will find and remember your publication, so take a moment to choose something that reflects the essence of your content. After naming your URL, you might encounter a CAPTCHA. If this happens, simply complete the CAPTCHA to proceed further, which helps ensure that the creation is being done by a real person and not an automated system. Next, click on Continue. This step is crucial as it saves all the information you've entered so far and moves you closer to having your publication live. Following this, you'll have the option to import your mailing list. Now, if you already have a list of contacts or subscribers from another platform, this feature can be incredibly handy. However, if you're starting new or prefer to do this later, you can skip it for now. After that, you'll again get a chance to add subscribers. You can choose to add them or skip this for the moment. As you move along, you'll see an option to recommend 5. These are existing authors on Substack whom you might find inspiring or similar in style. Picking a few can be beneficial in building a network. Choose a few or skip as per your preference, and remember, this can always be curated later. You've worked through the steps, and just like that, you have created your publication on Substack. Your thoughts, stories, or expertise are now ready to be shared with the world. Take a moment to explore your new dashboard and perhaps even jot down some ideas for your first post. Congratulations on taking this step forward in your publishing journey. Keep writing, sharing, and connecting with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.